Good morning, or maybe good dawn. I open my eyes slowly. The room is still blue. I take my first breath of the day, soft, deep, gentle. This breath tells me, you are alive. Begin slowly. Touch of light. A small beam of light touches my wall. It moves like a shy visitor. I watch it because I like when light acts like a quiet friend. No rush, no noise, just presence. Making the bed. I make my bed carefully, not because it must be perfect, but because the softness of the blanket makes my mind feel organized. Small actions bring gentle peace. Morning tea. I walk to the kitchen. I choose jasmine tea again. The kettle sings slowly. When I pour the hot water, steam rises like small ghosts of dreams. I smile at them. Window watching. I sit by my window. People walk below. Some look tired, some look quiet, some look lost. I send a silent wish to each one. May your day be kind to you. Soft stretching. My body wakes slowly. I stretch my arms, my neck, my back. I don't try to be strong or flexible. I just try to be present. Reading a forgotten book. I open a small book I found yesterday. I don't know the author. The pages smell like old rain. I read one line. Every heart is a quiet universe. I close the book. That is enough. Writing first thoughts. I sit at my desk. I write short notes. Sky, soft. Heart, calm. Hope, small, but here. These notes help me understand myself. The quiet house. My house speaks in small sounds. The wood of the floor, the hum of the fridge, the whisper of curtains moving with the air. These sounds comfort me. They say, you are not alone. Preparing a simple breakfast. I cut one apple. I toast a piece of bread. I eat slowly, because simple food feels like simple love. Touch of nature. I step outside. The sun is soft, not bright. I touch a leaf. It is cool and alive. Nature teaches me to slow down. Listening walk. When I walk, I listen. I listen to birds, to wind, to distant conversations. Every sound is a small story. Meeting a stranger. A stranger passes by and smiles. I smile back. We don't talk, but the silence between us feels warm. The bookstore visit. I enter a small bookstore. The air smells like paper and dust. I run my fingers across the book spines. Each book is a sleeping dream. I take one, just because it feels right. Afternoon light. Back home, the afternoon light is golden. It paints everything softly. I sit on the floor and let the light touch my face. It feels like the world is saying, here, rest for a moment. Journaling the heart. I open my journal again. This time I write feelings. I am grateful. I am trying. I am healing. Some words are heavy, but writing makes them lighter. Evening quiet. Evening arrives like a gentle shadow. I lower my lights. The world becomes softer. My mind becomes deeper. Candle ritual. I light one candle. Its flame dances slowly. I watch it because fire knows how to be still and alive at the same time. The final reflection. I sit on my bed. I place my hand over my heart and whisper, thank you, day. You were simple. And that was enough. Falling into dreams. I close my eyes. The world fades softly. Dreams come like gentle waves. I fall into them without fear, without hurry, with peace. Good night, dear traveler. Wherever you are, may your heart feel light. May your mind feel calm. May your dreams hold you gently. Good night.